of olive oil in your hands, and let's start just like that. Damn it, these are really good. These are really good for the to put in the sauce. Nicely black, fantastic, soft. Vai avanti! I don't want to fall in the water. It's black pizza dough. Yes, because today I'm going to show you, I'm going to teach you the best. If you're new, go ahead, subscribe, smash the like, because today I'm going to teach you, I'm going to surprise you something amazing. This pizza, it looks amazing. It's my first time making a black pizza dough. We have arrived to my city, Torramare Bari, but I'm waiting for my special friend that I just called, because this pizza needs to be incredible and easy to remake. Buongiorno, there we go. Wait. We have to attach this to the... Vai avanti. No, I don't want to fall in the water. There we go. Right, but I'm going to show you guys something very special. Vieni qua.
Sure.
Show me what you got. Show me what you fish.
Yeah.
Basically, guys, we got something very fresh from the ocean in my city.
Cuttlefish for you.
So I'm here today to get the ink of the...
Only ink and the cuttlefish?
Of the cuttlefish. And the ink is going to be good for our pizza.
Pour off the bone. Now.
So this is
like
the bone.
this.
Let me see. Show me.
Yeah.
This is what we do with this.
Here's the bone. With a little movement. Opening this.
There is the ink. Guys, that's what I need. The ink to make the perfect pizza dough black. Because here in this channel, you're going to find something amazing. So smash that like. Come on, it's free. There we go. That's okay. Fantastic.
We save it.
That's
we
enough.
save it.
We are going to figure out how much we need to put in a little bit after when I'm going to make the dough. Voila, we got some the ink that we are going to make the pizza dough. So we are going to make 100% Polish dough. 300 grams of basically Polish. 150 grams of flour, little bit of olive oil, 10 grams of salt, and 1 bag of ink from the Squid right there. There we go. Let's dump our Polish in the bowl. This way you guys can see better. Little bit of olive oil, just a little bit, a pinch. Then let's put our black ink. I try to put it all inside, just like that. We just need a little bit tiny, because this is gonna make the dough nice and black. A perfect combine of ingredients. 10 grams of sea salt. Can put everything together just like that. Did you see? The ink is getting incorporated. Nice, it's already black. Take a look. So once everything, all the ingredients are incorporated, we can go ahead and add our flour. So mix the dough until everything is together. So usually if you go by hands, it takes about 15-20 minutes. Now, little trick, that's why we need the olive oil. A little bit of olive oil in your hands, and let's start just like that. And the dough, of course, is going to be sticky. So once you don't feel anymore the little, basically when is everything integrated, we are ready to go ahead and start to make the basically a ball, just like that, like you can see. You need to be really fast to do these things when you mix the dough. Again, olive oil on top. So now we're just gonna go ahead and make the dough just like that. Go ahead, flip it over and open it. Go ahead, flip it over and open it until it's nice and smooth to build. So what we do, we let it rest for about 15 minutes over the counter close. Okay, now is the right moment also to fire up the oven and warm it up. So I'm gonna fire up. So I'm gonna put the wood on the side to warm up. And leave the door a little bit open, and voila, 10 minutes have passed by. Don't touch the dough at this point. Don't touch it. Again, little bit of olive oil in your hands. This will help to the gluten to stay like this. Now, watch this. With the spatula, go like this, and then let's create again a little ball. Like you can see now, it's going to be nice and more smooth. I'm gonna show you closely. And these 10 minutes, basically the gluten was built. We got a little bit of a nice area. See? So you remember the ball. Again, little bit of olive oil on inside. Perfect. Now let's get the ball and put it inside. Voila. Now let's get our dough, close, and let it rest 1 hour at room temperature. So basically for this pizza we're going to use some fresh mozzarella, some fennel, some smoked salmon, pepper and lemon. So this one you're gonna cut it really thin. If you use a mandolin it's even better. Now dump it inside the bowl just like that. Cut one lemon, squeeze the lemon in, little bit of water, and voila. We have the fennel, we have the first two ingredients, pepper and smoked salmon. And voila guys, 1 hour passed by. Like you can see, after 1 hour the dough is nice and full of air. Let's put a little bit on the counter, just a little bit, not too much guys. And now dump the flour, the dough. Look how much air. Wow. See? The dough is full of air. Take a look, nice and black. So we're gonna make 3 pizza dough, just like that. So we cut the dough in 3 pieces, and then I'm gonna teach you the very easy way to make the ball. So close it like a balloon, inside, close inside, just like that. See? Once you have it like this, let's go ahead and close the dough inside just like that. Again, we're gonna make it like a balloon, basically. Voila. Now it's time to go ahead and put the dough inside the box. Now that we have the white background, you can see how black is the dough. Perfect. Now close it. And guys, the dough needs to be rested for only 1 hour at room temperature. We use the Polish that is already 24 hours proof. So it's basically that right now we have about 26 hours of fermentation total. So let's see you in 1 hour and we're gonna make the pizza. So okay, perfect guys, we are ready to make the dough. Like you can see, it's perfect, done. Now let's put it in the flour. Voila. Boom, 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 baby. Now let's make the pizza. Little bit in the flour and then now let's stretch. Wow, it feels really soft and strong in the same time. Now pump, boom, baby. Take off the flour, down, really simple. Little bit of olive oil, voila. Massage a little bit, magia. Now fresh mozzarella on top, boom, voila. Little bit of pepper, ready to go in the oven. The magic is about to happen. Pinch it, boom, peel under. Look at this, the same color of the peel. Evolution, because that's what this pizza is. The evolution. Let's go ahead, let's cook it. Voila, one shot. This pizza is gonna be a little bit complicated to cook because it's black. We don't see, but don't worry about it. If you don't see, take it out a couple of moments and then boom. And the pizza is lovely. Woo! Ready. Now, listen to this. Soft and crunchy in the same time. Let's go ahead, let's finish this pizza because the magic is gonna happen right now. Smoked salmon on top, just like that. Wow. I like to put 1 slice of salmon each slice of pizza. That's it. One more right here. Same thing, let's put the fennel only in the slice that you're gonna eat the pizza. Not too bad, not too much, not too less. Just like that. Voila. Listen those birds. Wow, this is romantic. A dream came true. Woo! On top, just like that, just like a rock and roll. Woo! Voila. Little bit of pepper. And now let's give a little shot of olive oil even on the crust. Wow. Whoa. And the pizza is lovely ready. Guys, smash the like for this beast. Let's go. Let's see how many like we can get. Let's see. I'm gonna turn it and smash a random of like. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Thank you so much guys and subscribe. Let's see the inside. And let's wait. Boom, baby. Take a look. Nicely black. Fantastic. Soft. Perfect soft. Now it's time to taste. Thank you so much for the black ink, my friend. Thank you so much for the black ink. What do you think of this pizza? First of all, I'm gonna taste a little bit the crust first. Let's see if this one tastes fishy.
This is mine.
Doesn't taste at all of fish.
But
No.
the flavor,
It's a little bit more soft. It doesn't taste fishy. It's perfect flavor, it's perfect cook. Now it's time to taste the pizza. Honest.
buonissimo.
Honest.
Smoked salmon, lime.
Did you see?
Yeah. It's good. Really good. The best pizza.
It's beautiful. It's good. It tastes amazing. The flavor of the fennel with salmon, perfect combination. A little bit of lemon. Fantastic. If you want to surprise someone with the black dough, now you know how to make it. Comment below what do you think of this pizza and smash the like. I'll see you soon. Ciao guys. Ciao.